How does financial freedom sound? It sounds different to different people. For many, financial freedom sounds like never having to worry about food on your plate or a roof over your head. It sounds like time with your family and friends, to do things you enjoy, and with time to appreciate the life with which you have been blessed. Financial freedom sounds like not being tied to a job or a location for financial reasons, and being able to pay your bills without being a slave to them and bill collectors. The Miracle Social Media Debt Relief Program allows you to hear the sound of freedom loud and clear by giving you the financial freedom to eliminate your debt and building generational wealth for you and your family. If you're ready to hear the sound of freedom by eliminating your bills, like us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/moreabundant and click on the Zoom link to the No More Bills webinar, heard every Monday through Saturday at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, 8 o'clock Central Standard Time, where you'll hear how you can become financially free.